Hey everybody, this is Alex from Dragon Impact, and today's video is regarding Cold Steel's Code 4. We've currently got two models in right now, their clip point and their Tanto point. Right there. I'm sure they'll be adding some more to the family here of the Code 4, but that is what we've got right now. So, I'll give you a little close-up here. It's essentially the same handle on both units. So you've got the lanyard hole there, you've got reversible clip, and you've got your back lock or spine lock. Now, just like the other ones by Cold Steel, it's quite difficult to push it up towards the blade side. It's better to push it at the back there. So that is their Tanto. There's their serration, thumb stud, and the clip point here. So same handle. And to give you an idea of how this compares to Cold Steel's very popular Recon 1 series, get these two, put them beside here, and you can see right there it's quite the intermediate piece. It's right in the middle there as far as length is concerned, but when you compare it here to the thickness, you can see here that the Code 4 is quite a bit thinner. So that is Code 4 by Cold Steel, in stock and available at Dragon Impact.